So over here you can see that I have an audio clip right here, and if I were to press the play button, this is what you hear. So let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a medium room effect, so there's a bit of a reverb. In that case, you can go around onto the effects tab right here, and what you can do is you can go around and expand out the audio folder just like this, and then drag around the medium room over here onto the audio over here. Once you do that and press the play button, it seems as if it is being played on a room right here. And over here you can see that only gain is an option over here in medium room. So now what you can also do is you can add in a last room. So to do that over here, if I were to go around onto effect right here, then you can see that last room is an effect over here. If I were to go around and click and drag this out, then you got a last reverb. This is without the last room effect. And if you were to add in the last room effect, then you can hear out the more reverb right there. And that is how you can work around with the last room and medium room effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.